Hello everyone. Last video we discussed about the electronic configurations. 1 to 20 elements we discussed it. So in that way I have given the one trick also given. If you not yet watch, please watch. I will give in the iCard I will give. So today I am going to explain about the how to write the electronic configurations 21 to 50 electronic configuration. There is a variations is there for 4F series. That means whatever the elements is there after 41 onwards they will show the some variations. They will show the some variations. So why they will show the variation, that is also I will explain. So here once again I am writing the trick. See here, just you have to write the SS. So one time you have to write, and next PS twice you have to write, and next DPS, next FDPS you have to write like this. After writing like this, what we have to do? So here SS is there na, the bottom part write like 1 2 numbers you have to write. What is the number is ending here? 2 is number is there. Just take the 2 number, write the next number 2 3. So what is the number here? 3 is there. So 3 4. So 3 4 is there, no, here 3 letters is there. That's why take these two numbers to here. You can write the 3 4 5. You can write. After that 4 5, take the last two digits to here. 4 5 6. So last here 4 letters is there. That's why you have to take the 3 digits. You have to take here. So you will get the 4 5 6 7. So take the last 3 digits. So you can get the 5 6 7 8. So this is the only thing about the electronic configuration. See here, I will write with the help of the I will taking the some element. For example, I am taking the 21 scandium. I am taking. So electronic configuration is, see here, 1s we have to write 1s. 1s2. Already we know that s orbital having an capacity is 2 electrons. So p orbital having an capacity is 6 electrons. D having a capacity is 10 electrons. F having a capacity is 14 electrons. So 1s2, whatever I am written here number, that number indicated the electron number. Next one 2s2, next one 2p6, next one 3s2, next one 3p6, next one 4s2, 3d1. So some other book they will written like 3d1 4s2. That is also you can write, it's not a problem. So 4s2 3d1. So after the scandium you can write the scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Here only copper and chromium will show the variations that I will because that I will also will explain. See the electronic configuration. Here 21 is there, 3d1, 22 is there. Just add the one electron in the d orbital. So electron configuration will be like 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d. So just we are adding the one electron we are adding. Why? Because D capacity is 10 electrons. So follow this rule only. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 6x2. Follow like that only. So you can get 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d3. Next chromium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d4. But actually 4s2, 3d4 we should not write. We have to write the 4s1, 3d5 we have to write. Why we have to write? See here 4s2, 3d4. Whenever you are writing this one, take the d orbital capacity 10. Generally what will happen? 1 2 3 4 electrons is presented. So whenever if you see not only d electrons, anything which is having the half filled, full filled, it is the stable. So to make it as a stable, so 4s will give the shift 1 electron from the 4s to d. So now it will become 4s1. So see here 4s1 also it is having the half filled, it is having. So half filled and full filled are stable. So to make it as a stable, we are writing it as a 4s1 and 3d5. It is applicable for the full filled and half filled. So next one you can write the manganese 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d5. So 4s2, 3d5. So after the manganese, you can write the just write the one number, one electron. You have to add in the d orbital. You have to add. So now you can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. Here cobalt 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d7. Nickel 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d8. Copper 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d8 is there. Now here you have to write the 3d9. You have to write. See here once again 3d9 is there. 3d10 is the stable, so that's why 4s electrons is shifted to the 3d, so it will become like 3d10. It will become like 4s1. So zinc electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. This is the electronic configuration up to 21 to 30. See here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 here is there. So you can write like this also. You can write, otherwise you can write the 3s2, 3p6. What is the electronic configuration 3s2, 3p? It is called as a argon. So you can write like this form also, or condensed form also. You can write argon is equal 4s2, 3d1. That means you can replace the 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, 3p6. You can replace. You can write the argon also. You can write. Now you can see the 31 to 40. You can see next. See here 31 to 40. We have to write the elements like this: gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, chromium, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, and zirconium. You have to write. So instead of writing the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, so I am writing the condensed form argon. So 30 elements is ended with the argon. 4s2, 3d10 it is ended. 4s2, 3d10 it is ended. So you can write 4s2, 3d10. So after see here 4, after the 4s2, 3d10, what will be there? 4p will be there. So you can write the 4p1 you can write. So next electrons is enters into the p orbital, it will enter. So after that you can write the 4s2, 3d10, 4p2, 4s2, 3d10. Just you have to add the one electron, you have to add, then you can get the electronic configurations you can get. So here there is no confusion. But whenever if you see the 40 to 50, that is only the small exceptions will be there. So here 3d10, 4p, 5 will be there. So if you see the krypton electronic configuration, so it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6. So now onwards, so 4p6 up to here 36. So it is the 4p6, it is the fulfilled. So it is the noble gases. So instead of writing all this, how you are writing the krypton, you can write the condensed form by taking the krypton you can take. So whenever you are writing the krypton, in the sense what you are writing the 36 atomic numbers you are writing. So here 37 you can see. So after the 4p6, after the 4p6, what will be there? 5s will be there. So you can write the 5s1 you can write, or otherwise you can write the total extended form also you can write. See here krypton, after the 5s, 5s2. So after that one, this is called as a condensed form. Otherwise you can write total, you can write in place of the krypton you can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6 also you can. See here after the 5s2 what will be there? After the 5s2 4d will be there. So 4d1. See here krypton, 5s2, 4d, 4d1, 5s2, 4d2. So this is up to the 40 electronic configuration. So next you can see the 41, that is small variation will be there. See here there is a exception cases is there. They will not follow the Ohm's rule. Sometimes they will not follow, especially in case of the 4D transition series element, they will not follow exception cases. See here 40 we can write zirconium, krypton in place of the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3D10 4s2 4p6 we are writing the krypton we are writing. So krypton in the sense krypton electronic configuration you have to write here, you have to write. See here 5s2 4d2 is there. So next you can see after the 5s2 4d2 the electronic configuration should be like a 5s2 4d3 should be there. See here next what will be there, 5s2 4d4 should be there. Next what will be there, 5s2 4d5 should be there. See here what will happen, 5s2 4d6 should be there. So like this only should be there. See here once you are observed, we are not writing the 5s2 4d3 we are not writing, we are writing the 5s1 4d4 we are writing. Why we are writing, see here when compared to the 4d orbital, when compared to the 3d orbital, 4d orbital is a bigger orbital when compared to the 3d orbital. See here when compared to the 4s, 5s is a bigger orbital. Whenever the bigger orbitals or the electron distribution is happened, there will be a repulsions will be there. So if it follow the this rule according to the Ohm's rule, they will follow automatically. They will make the repulsions. To overcome the repulsion, the electronic configurations we are the electrons are filling in this only. That's why the d orbital with the fourth valency electrons are going to the d subshell it is going. So always remember when the orbitals are bigger, repulsions will be more. So to decrease the repulsions to favorable for the filling of the electrons, the valency electron, the fourth valency electrons are coming into the d subshell it is coming. See here that's why you are writing 5s1 4d4 instead of the 5s2 4d3. So next one 5s1 4d5. Why you are writing same to make the stability here, it make it 45 it is making. So here after the 5s2 45 as usual. See here 5s1 again 4d7 instead of the 5s2 4d6 we are writing. So this is also the same reason only we are writing. So next one we can write the 5s1 4d8 writing. Next we have 4d10. Immediately we are not writing the 5s1 we are writing. So here 5s0 will be there. No empty orbital will be there. So here empty orbital is there. That is only the reason to make the stability bigger to decrease the repulsion between the electrons, because the bigger size of the bigger orbitals is more. To decrease the repulsion, the electronic configuration will be there. So next one silver 4d10 5s1 4d10 5s2 4d10 5s2 5p1. So this is okay. Just you have to remember the 41 to 46 you have to remember this electronic configuration. Everything will follow this rule is only follow. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and comment in the comment section.